if they're not sleeping properly, daytime they're dull and they try to compensate thinking that they're feeling weak and tired and they try to eat more.
Oh,
And then they will end up having obesity and that will increase their snoring problem and become cyclical and they can never reduce the weight. So in these individuals, we cannot attribute always snoring for increased weight. We need to check inside the nose and throat if something else is blocking and that is leading to these problems.
hmm,
So thyroid, if a person has thyroid and increasing weight, then also they can have snoring or nose blockage and sedentary life and they're increasing weight and they can end up in having thyroid issues.
hmm,
So
hmm.
either way is possible.